Welcome. Another one incoming as Oluwo of Iwo goes against the Yoruba tradition again. Where is Iwo people and where are the elders of Iwo? Why are they not saying anything? A lot of people have reacted. Or are the elders of Iwo afraid of the Oluwo of Iwo? The Oluwo of Iwo wanted to celebrate the Salah, the Eid festival. And normally, we all know that the Yoruba king comes out with white horse. And where the Yoruba Obas sit down on the white horse, called Eshin, they sit down there and they parade around with people gathering over them. Well, the Oluwo of Iwo has now changed the culture to Fînàlly culture, the culture of the North people, and this time he used camel, and he sat down on top, but the Yoruba people uses horse. And the Oluwo of Iwo said that they should use camel. And even if we see the camel, they designed it like the way Fulani people do it, the way the northern people do it. And this triggered and angered a lot of people. Because why are you trying to change the Yoruba tradition? He did something that made them to burn his house some time ago. And now you have come out to do unexplicable things that do not follow the Yoruba traditional system. And now the people of Oluwo are angry with the Oluwo of Iwo because we are the elders. Are they giving them something to keep short, or what? What is he doing? Normally, he is meant to come on a white horse. That is what the Yoruba Obas do. They come on a white horse. But this time around, he used the camel, and he started admonishing people that it is not a must for you to use horses. You can use camels. And he's just trying to celebrate the Eid festival. And he did it with using the northern style, and even told people, people to follow him. And the people that were beside him were northerners. And this has made a lot of people angry, especially the people of Iwo. And if we can recall some time back, he ran away from his house after they burnt it to ashes. And that's because he made them very, very angry. It made them extremely angry. We can recall his talk about the Oro in the video, where he said that the women can come out during the Oro festival, and that women can come out during the Oro festival, and that it's not a must for the Oro festival to be done at night, that it should be done in the afternoon. And that women can come, they can come and watch, they can even follow them, that there's nothing will happen to them. That is assuring them that all these acts that they talk about, they do it in the past. Well, Oro is a traditional festival of the Southwest people, of the Yoruba people. And Oro is only meant for paternal lineage. It's only meant for the paternal group. And it's not meant to be seen by a woman. They do this Oro festival after a king has died. And these festivals are done in the night, in the wee hours of the night. And it's only men that are allowed to accompany them. They do not need a woman. And most times, it's a taboo for women to see the festival. So they ensure everyone to stay in their houses. During Oro festival, everyone is meant to be input in their houses, that you're not meant to go out in the night. And women are not meant to use their eyes to see. If not, your stomach can be swollen. You might die in the process. It's a taboo. And he went and switched the tradition around. This is something something of the forefathers. This is something that they have been practicing since. And it's of the Yoruba culture, it's of the Yoruba tradition, it's of their heritage. So for you to just say you want to twist it around, and he started talking about how he is solidly behind the women, that the women can now come out, that nothing will happen to them, that they can even partake in the Oro festival, and that it should not be done in the night, which is the normal tradition, that it should be done in the afternoon or anytime they deem it fit. And this made a lot of people angry. The people of Iwo were so angry because you have done something to them in the past. And now you're coming to talk about how Oro festival should be done in the afternoon. How women should partake in it. This is something that it's a taboo. This is something that is not even heard of the Yoruba heritage. and they forgave him for even going to go and take a northerner wife in the first place. It might seem he loves people from the north because he took in a wife from the north, and the people of Iwo forgave him even after he did that kind of thing. You're not meant to marry somebody from the north. You are always meant to marry from your Yoruba tribe. But maybe people might not see it anyhow, because we see people like the Alafia of Oyo, we see people like the Oluwo of Ibadan, we see people like the Oni of Ife taking wives from different tribes, not only from the not only from their indigene, not only from their tribe. So people might not see it as anyhow. So they even forgave him for bringing in a wife from the north. But now changing their culture is another thing. Bringing in a wife is another thing. And they have cautioned him at first for the oral video he did, where they had to burn his house and he had to escape. He had to run for his dear life. And now you are coming out to be talking about how to be talking about how people can use camels instead of horses. We all know that the Yoruba king uses white horses, specifically white horses. So why are you trying to change that tradition? So the people of that land, the people of Iwo have said, why are the elders not talking? Why are they not carrying out a form of check and balances where they can check this king? Where you can check the Oluwo of Iwo and remove him or banish him or do something to him. Why are they keeping quiet? Or did he give them money? People are asking, because you cannot keep on going against our tradition, and we cannot keep on leaving you. We forgave you when you married a wife from the north. We also forgave you when you talked about oral and all those kind of things. We forgave you for going against the tradition. And now you are coming out to continue talking and talking and talking, like as if you have no filter. Are you really the Oluwo of Iwo? He is trying to westernize everything. He is trying to northernize everything. Because you first took a wife from the north, and now you are acting like you are from the north. So just leave the land if you're not going to rule the land according to the dictates of the Yoruba traditional system. So this has been up for topic for a very long time, because people are angry, and you can't hold them off for a really long time. You can't hold the people of Iwo for a really long time. They will retaliate, because it keeps on packing up and packing up and packing up, and it's like his house that they burnt was not enough for him. Maybe he wants them to put him to death before he can straighten himself. These are cultures that are meant to be preserved, that our culture, our cultural heritage. That things that are meant to continue to be practiced, because it's of the Yoruba traditional system. But you have changed it based on your own interests. Well, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you're joining us here for the first time, give us a thumbs up, and also do not forget to share our link. Thank you.